Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial on Notepad tips and tricks. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the duplicate lines. I will tell you the scenarios where you can use this duplicate line feature. Suppose you want to clean the customer database. Suppose you want to remove the duplicate customer records or duplicate product listing, or you want to remove any duplicate line. This will be very useful for you. So let's see. Suppose I take this example. Here you can see this line is duplicated. So what will we do? We will go to edit option, then line operation and remove the duplicate line. If you go back, you can see this line and this line is removed from here. Except the original line, other lines will be deleted from this. We'll take another example. Suppose we copy this one. I'll paste it here. You can see this line is duplicated and this line is also duplicate. So what will we do? We will go to edit, line operation and remove duplicate file. See, this is removed. Suppose you want to use the remove consecutive duplicate line feature, it will remove the consecutive lines only, not all other lines. Take a look at this. I'll copy this example and paste it here. See, it will only remove the consecutive lines. We'll go to edit, line operation and remove consecutive lines. It removed the consecutive lines, but it did not remove the last duplicate line. Now you can know when to use the remove duplicate line and when to use the remove consecutive duplicate line. I hope you have learned how to remove the duplicate line. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.